Hello guys, welcome back to the channel once again. This is Brian Reaction. So guys, if it is for the first time you are coming across any of my videos, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share to my returning viewers and subscribers. Thank you guys for the support, for always coming back and watching my videos. So guys, today I have a video about Jamaica comedy. We all know Jamaica has the best comedians in the world. So I have a comedy here from Jamaica. I want you to watch this comedy and see how blessed Jamaicans are and see and get to know some of the, cultures from Jamaica, because most of the comedy, they always show us or teach us some of the Jamaican cultures or how Jamaican people behave. So I want you to watch this comedy and I'll be back with a few reaction.
Good evening. My name is Brad News, and here is the news. Nobody wasn't murdered in Jamaica today. In other news, 6 people were killed while resisting arrest. 3 people were killed while escaping police custody, and 1 man committed suicide by beating his head against a policeman's button. This brings the number of deceased in Jamaica since the start of the new aluminum to 1,101 and a half. The half is because the police did catch 1 boy last night and half kill him with lead. Upon hearing these figures, the Minister of National Security has released a statement to say, and I saw it go. He went on to say, most of these people who are reported dead are in fact not. Some of them are missing, but most of them are just pretending to be dead in order to spite him. All of the deceased, the 1,101 and a half, were found in possession of a Smith & Wesson revolver, the same one. In other news, several weeks ago, a Bandulu passport and visa ring were broke up on Oxford Road opposite the United States Embassy. Police recovered 19 passports with Bandulu visa into them. Last week, Friday, was the date set for the hearing for the alleged perpetrator of the crime. Unfortunately, the hearing could not take place, as 19 of the arresting officers were nowhere to be found. In financial news, the Jamaican dollar traded today against the United States dollar at an exchange rate of 41.2, 43.4, 44.5. Lord, man, we can't keep up, y'all. In other news, in downtown Kingston today, there were demonstration and roadblock, and people was carrying placard. The placard, them did say, free dodos. One woman was asked for a comment, to which she said, I don't know what a dodos is, but if it is free, me will take 2. And that were the news. When we return, the weather.
I don't want to wear this. I feel stuck. Good evening. My name is Grey Skies, and here is the weather. Weather is the same as always, yeah? This is Jamaica. The sun going to shine in the morning, and it going hot no bitch. There will be scattered showers round about, after which it will be hot no bitch. Even if hurricane come, rain fall, breeze blow, thunder and lightning lick, as soon as it done, it going hot no bitch. Tonight, the sky will be dark. If you live into the hill, it will be chilly. But if you live onto the flat, even if it's hot, it's not going to hot if you have a fan. And now, for the long range forecast. It going hot, no good. And that were the weather. Hey, we are do with the light, man? You think of sunset? Put your hand back, man. I may not come over this and give you a big lick, because if I do, it will be hot, no bitch. Oh. I like that part there. Good evening. I look for me, so. He's confused. He's going, I've heard that voice before, but never coming out of a face like that. It get very confusing for certain people, you know. Sometimes I go and do shows, especially in front of white people, and I have to tell, it would be easier if I told them I was from South Africa, because they've heard of white South Africans, but not white Jamaicans. White South Africans and white Jamaicans are very similar. One big difference, of course, we were nice to black people. In South Africa, they had apartheid. In Jamaica, we just had a party. Yeah, sweetness and light. Certain parts of the world I go to, them get very confused indeed. Anybody been to Daytona Beach in Florida? Don't. That is where all the people on the Jerry Springer show come from. Hey, I fucked my dog. You can do it too if you like, just don't kiss him. I did a show in Daytona Beach. In the middle of the show, this redneck jumps up. Oh, you ain't Jamaican? I said, yeah, man. No, you ain't. I said, yeah, man. No, you ain't. I said, brethren, this is not a pantomime. Sit down. He said, how come all the Jamaicans I know are black? And they all got dreadlocks. They can all sing. If you really are Jamaican, sing a song in reggae. Like it's a foreign language. Oh, man, I get back spanned better, you know. Oh, you know how we stay already. You know how we stay already. Jamaicans go all over the world. We do our damnedest to make sure that people can understand what it is that we're saying when we want you to understand what it is that we're saying. But you get us back, boom, all of a sudden it's like the Incredible Hulk. All of a sudden the Jamaican part will come up from the ankle into the knee. All of a sudden the hip them start to swivel and the chest puff out. I kicked off against this redneck. Yo, pussy wall boy. You see me? You see me? Me? Like you see me? I turn up in a pit in your blood clot face, boy. You see me? You see me? Yeah, me not come over. Me not come over there, son, until you mother. Me not come over there, son, until you come on to me a flower. Whether you're English or you see me? You see me? Just because you know a man who take a shotgun and hang it in the rack at the back of him pickup truck. You see me? Me know a man in Jamaica take shotgun and pick him teeth. Wanna move on? Go ahead. And he said, hey, that's real good. Sing another one. You don't know. It's all about communication. We have to communicate with each other. You know? In Jamaica, Jamaica is the only place I know you can communicate a complete conversation using just the vowels. Eh? Eh? I? Oh, you! Yeah. We count differently here. In England, everybody count 1, 2, 3, long division, multiplication, decimal point. In Jamaica, 1, 2, couple, few, only, enough and plenty. And Jamaica is the only country in the world I know you can give directions by pointing with your lips. Where's the bathroom? We've been conserving energy for fucking centuries, you understand me? Language is so sweet, you know. And you come over here, generations of you know, people over here, your great-grandparents, your grandparents, whether your parents, whether it's you born in Jamaica and you come over here, you have to hold on to certain things, you know. And the language is really important, especially the swear word. Because you come over here to England and you start saying, shit, piss. That can't help you, you know. No, you have to drop some good old-fashioned Jamaican swear words, you know. And they're natural. They are completely natural. You go out into the backyard of any house in Jamaica and you listen to the chicken them. What them saying? Bok-bok-lard, bok-bok-lard, bok-bok-lard. You go up into the bush and you listen to the parakeet. What them saying? Ras, 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 ras. And that's why they call it foul language. If you know these things. I worried the other day, I opened a newspaper. I see a story. Man been working for customs, letting cocaine into the country for 20 years. I said, oh God, I look with one eye, picture of a black man. I said, Ross. I beg you do. I said, live in South London. I said, see it there. Him say him buy a BMW for himself and him wife. Me say, Ross. Say him buy expensive jewelry for him wife. Me go, oh God, no. And then he said he built a big house in Lagos. Me say, you bitch, you. I am sorry, Nigerian people. I was just glad to Ross he wasn't Jamaican. That's all I'm saying, all right? It was a major relief to me, you know? You have to be grateful for certain things. And I mean certain things. Back home in Jamaica, I was back home in Jamaica, right? They had a big family reunion back down there. We had a big photograph taken, big color photograph. Had to be a color photograph, a lot of colors in my family, you understand? I am the product of a mixed marriage. My mother was a woman and my father was a man, you understand me? All of us are mixed in that case, but seriously. So we go back there, turn on the news, CNN, BBC World News. There's a news item about a man in Jamaica, not on the local news, you know. No, on the international news. A young man tried to hijack an airplane in Montego Bay Airport. He walk onto the plane and say, fly this plane to Cuba. It was going to Cuba. You know what pissed us off in Jamaica wasn't the fact that he could have been a terrorist, it was the fact that now the world thinks we can't read. That's what upset us. Because terrorism is not something we worry about in Jamaica. Terrorism in Jamaica, no man, we have a little gun crime. Of course, we have drug crime. We have some very good drug crime in actual fact, you know what I'm saying? No big deal. But terrorism, you have to come over here. 7/7, they said that one of the terrorists was Jamaican. I'll be honest, he looked mixed to me. I don't think we're completely to blame, to be honest with you. But they said he was Jamaican. Didn't make sense. I know Jamaican Muslims. I know Jamaican fundamentalist Muslims. No Jamaican I know would have reacted like that at an Al-Qaeda meeting. Right, what I want you to do, I want you to pray on the Quran. Then I want you to go onto the bus and onto the tube. Then I want you to put on the backpack with the bomb inside the backpack, and I want you to explode the bomb while you're still wearing the backpack. Come again. Hold on a second, no. So I got the part about the praying. No problem. My people are very religious. Then they want me to go on the bus and the tube. No problem. My people have been working on the buses and the tubes for a long time. Then they want me to put on the backpack with the boom inside the backpack. And they want me to explode the boom while I am still wearing the backpack. I think you have the wrong man for the job here, you see? It's not politics or religion. It's just that you want to do this on a Wednesday, but on Sunday I have to go to my mother's yard and eat chicken and rice and peas, see? And on Sunday night they have an oldies reggae session down in Streatham. I can't miss that at all. So here, take back your book. I'll be honest, I had a little trouble reading it. I found the handwriting a little too quickly. Oh man. You need to judge people as you find them. And people show you love in different ways. Shows a lot about their cultures, you understand? One thing I love about being Jamaican, we can show you love like nobody else in the world. We say things like blessed loveliness, guidance, honor, respect.
Welcome back. So I hope you guys have watched that comedy. You know, in my previous video, I did this video about this lady. I know you guys maybe have watched that video, and I had to spice up your day a little bit because that was a very sad video. So I decided to do this Jamaica comedy. We all know when it comes to comedy, Jamaicans also are the best. You know, one thing I always wonder, you know, Jamaicans are blessed in almost everything. Every sector you will find Jamaican leading, every sector. And it's not just in Jamaica, but across the world. Now, one thing I like about Jamaican comedy is how they use the patois language in that comedy. I know you guys know the patois language is one of the most trending languages so far we have, and people love it so much. I have done so many videos of people speaking patois language, people falling in love with patois language, and we all know that is Jamaican culture. So people love patois language so much. The Ugandans, the Japanese, Chinese, people from America, they have been speaking patois language so much, and they have been saying that it is so fun. You just enjoy speaking the words. Now look at how the Jamaican comedy is when patois language is added in. It makes it more better, because how those words are being pronounced, then the comedy itself, it makes you just want to laugh at it. The pronunciation of the patois language, you all know those words are being pronounced in a way that you just enjoy them. So this is the reason why I always love Jamaican comedy. By the way, I've done several videos of Jamaican comedy. So if you're a fan of comedy, if you love comedy stuff, you can go back to my previous videos. You'll meet several Jamaican comedies. I have done at least, I think, three or four. Yeah, I have several. So if you're a big fan of Jamaican comedy, go back to the channel. You'll meet some videos of Jamaica's best comedians. Now, another reason why I love Jamaican comedy is that there's a comedy I did about this Jamaican comedians. They were trying to show the world how a Jamaican parent treats his or her child when they have done a mistake. Oh my God, it was so good. You will meet that comedy also in my channel. It was so good. You know how Jamaican parents treat their children when they do something wrong. Oh my God, you should go see that video. It was so good. It helps you know how Jamaican people behave. It helps you know how what Jamaican people love, how Jamaican people associate with others, how they live, how you, as I have talked about that video, you will now get to see how Jamaican people behave. Jamaican parents behave when their children do something wrong. So Jamaican comedy helps you. It's so fun. You will laugh. You will do all that. But at some point, it also helps you know how how different countries, do their things, how their culture is, how their people behave. Because most of the comedy is always done to show how some things are being done. They will do comedy about how Jamaican teachers do their teachings. I remember I also did a video about how Jamaican policemen, when they are arresting when they are doing the arrest, how they behave. That was also a very good comedy. It is also in this channel. So that is the reason why I love Jamaican comedy, and I love comedy at large, because it helps you know a lot of things, how people behave, how people interact, how people associate. It helps you know so many things. So I always wonder, Jamaicans are blessed in almost everything. Everything. I've never seen comedy such as that of Jamaica, how these people do their comedy. In fact, patois language, with the addition of patois language, they make this comedy so fun. So fun. You just want to listen to it more and more and more. So you have seen how this guy has showcased his talent. He's one of the best comedian in Jamaicans. Those guys that when you're having a bad day and you just, wanna just laugh, wanna just, having a bad day and you just wanna, smile a little bit. When you go to their comedy, your day will be spiced up. So big up once again to Jamaican comedians. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Until my next video, peace out.